Wow, here we are at tonight's campsite. We're now in the Lower Bucca, B-U-C-C-A, Lower Bucca State Forest. We drove along Old Cottage Road for what seemed like forever. Nothing really happened. There was no real openings. And then we came across this opening, dude. Just drove in here, this big open space. I did my Nicole pool noodle, sliced the pool noodle into a section, and I shoved it in up here. As you can see, it's shoved in up there. And it's running all the way along, and hopefully that mitigates this drip. I'm still seeing drips. I'm trying to avoid drips on the fuck you, they're still dripping. I'm trying to fix that, but I think we've sort of half fixed it. Also, I've come to the obvious conclusion. I've got to go outside to show you this. How to stop water pooling in the middle of the awning. Just set one side down on an angel. The water will pool, and then it will just come and dribble down here. I don't know why. Why do I make things harder for myself? I've also got an absolute caning headache. I've taken a couple of sips of Kraken. I'm having a beer to try to reduce that.